This always happens to us. It's always this way. No, it's just you. I really thought. There we go. Nice. Huh? Wait, what? How much time was it? Oh, I know what they're doing. Great, great. Good shit. Good shit. I know they're gonna use... Oh, yeah. That's gonna work. That's definitely gonna work, bestie. Oops. You know what? I don't want to even worry about that. I don't even want to worry about it. Let's, Yeah, keep doing it. Cool. Where are you? Let's go, bestie. Let's go. Good shit. Oh my god, I love them. I love them. They're so funny. Period. Oh, let's go over here. Oh, they're so fun. The machinery and logistics. You got mad respect for people that work at Disney. Keep all the crazy shit running. Right? There's a lot. It's a lot of shit. Her. Huh? I know they're right here, though. I don't know where they're at. I don't know where they went. This went well. I think this went really well. This was I think not a great strat when there was a nurse. And you know what's worse? Is it isn't even like I'm not even a good nurse. I'm just a nurse. I'm just a player. Minion, hello. One sweet tamale, I got you. Oxy, hello. I zoom, sisters. We've lot. And now they're blind. Blind as bats. I go for you. Because you're the healthy one. And the two of them want it. Good. I don't want you to do it. I don't want you to do it. Do we think they're cute? I can't tell if I think they're cute or not, or if I'm tryharding too much. Am I tryharding? I might be tryharding. I think I'm tryharding. I think I am. You think they're vile? You think they're nasty? I think they're so gross, so rude. I think they're cute. There we go. Go for it, bestie. Go for it. Are you the first one? You're not the first one to get it. Popped a Melly. Enjoy your Melly. Pop a 911, then pop another one. Please patch the line. Please patch the line. Need a 501. I don't know how that hit. My biggest enemy is cheese. Pop a 501. My biggest enemy is cheese ever since day one. Pop a 501, then pop another one. Damn. He's dead. He's real dead. I break, only because I want to. Death. Someone ran by me. Someone ran by. I don't know where they're at. He was going to steal the Declaration of Independence, but no declaration for him. Oh, poor guy. Am I the tryhard? I don't think I'm the tryhard. Maybe I am. Come on, Dead Hard. Oh my god. Come on, Dead Hard. Dead Hard Dussy. Ooh. Girl. I love this combo though for the people and buckle up. Everybody's been using it. You gotta be smart. The Declaration of Dead Dependence. Exactly. These are really great. Right? Dude, he has great perks together. It's a fun combo. And I've been seeing a lot of people using it. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want the Mori. He's letting himself go. We'll see if the other one goes in. Nope. He lets himself go. If God loves me, I will get a hatch. We'll see if I get a hatch. Keep my money, paradise is in my hands. Okay, well. Hatch. Did he find it? He found it. Good for him. Good for him. God has left chat. God has left chat a long time ago. So, okay, let's see. We had For the People, Buckle Up, Made for This, and Hope. Plot Twist, Made for This. Resilience, Dead Hard. For the People, Buckle Up, Windows of Opportunity, Made for This. Urban Evasion, Botany Knowledge, Windows of Opportunity, Plot Twist. Did I eat? Because I think I ate.